Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to share with you a soup recipe that I really like. When it's cold outside, a soup is the ideal way to warm up body and soul. So without any further ado, let's take a look at the needed ingredients for today. Let's get started. The first thing to do is peel the potatoes. Be careful not to cut yourself. Here's a little tip for you. I use a wet cloth under my cutting board to keep it from moving and therefore injuring myself. The next step is to rinse the potatoes in cold water since they can get quite dirty when you peel them. Now let's cut them in cubes. I prefer not to leave large pieces so that the cooking is quick and even. Now we're gonna do the same for the onion and the garlic cloves. Here's another tip. Put your onion in the freezer at the beginning of the recipe so that your eyes don't water. Now turn on the heat to medium-high and add the oil, then the onion, garlic, salt, and spices. While stirring to caramelize the onions, add the leek, celery, celeriac, and spinach. I usually freeze these vegetables. It's more convenient for soup and that's why I didn't cut them in the video. So at this point, I'm just turning the heat to medium-low and stirring it and just making sure that nothing really sticks on the bottom. So it's time for the potatoes, so you just add them and stir. You can add, if you want to, a few pinches of herbe de Provence and you add the bay leaves and that's it. The next step is to cover the vegetable with hot water. I use a kettle which is about 2 liters. You can use cold water too, but the cooking time will be longer. Stir again. When you're done, don't forget to cover it. Although it's not very stressful for a soup, I would advise you to let it simmer over low heat for 40 minutes if you use hot water or a few more minutes with cold water. To make sure everything is cooked, I use a knife to pierce the veggies. Don't forget to remove the bay leaves before grinding everything. Add salt to taste. Hey guys, it's now ready to serve. A delicious hot and spicy soup to comfort you. For me, a soup is not a soup without my garlic bread, so I guess I'm just gonna have it that way. So guys, I just want to thank you for watching my first YouTube video. I really hope you like the recipe and you try it. Don't forget to hit the button like, don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.